Okay, in this demonstration, we're going to show you how to upload your content for your business website. First of all, you want to make sure that you're on www.getyouawebsite.com. That's getyouawebsite.com. You're going to scroll down to your bottom left side. You're going to see a section that's called Website Pages Content Upload. So you're going to click on the one that says Website Content Pages for Businesses. Want to make sure that you're on that page. You're going to click on that. It's going to take you to this form. Website Content Pages Upload for Businesses. Let's make sure it says Businesses. Alrighty, right there as it does. This form is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to guide you through each field so that you'll understand how to complete each one. First of all, it says your full name. You would put that in this field. You would type your name. I'm just going to do it. Email address. You're going to just type your email address. I'm just doing a sample for this demonstration. Company name. You're going to put your company name. I'm just typing mine for this illustration. You're going to put your phone number. The professional design template number that you selected. In this case, you're going to just type none because generally the designs that we create, if you did not select a template from our library, then we will generally put one together for you. So you want to type none right there. If you did select a template from this, then you will basically type the number in this area right here instead of the word none. What text do you want on your banner header? Again, this is if we custom design one for you. You would put, generally people put their company name, their phone number, and their website address in this area. And this is what will appear on the actual banner. Let me pull up one for you so you can see a sample. So for example, we go to this website, see how it has the title of the business, the address, the city, state, zip, phone, fax, and then the website. This is an example of a banner header if you chose this type of design. Okay, so going back here, content for your home page, you would click choose file. This is where you would get a file from your hard drive, particularly a Word document. Generally that's the type of Word or text document. See, it'll show you right here once it's uploaded. So you're going to choose, so your first thing you want to do is type your content into a Word document that you want to go on the home page. You want to have your About Us page typed into a Word document or a text file, any sort of text file that we can get the information. Upload your logo. If you have a logo, you're going to click here to choose the file from your hard drive. Notice all of these, you would choose the file from your hard drive. The content that you want for your services offered page, we encourage you to have a page for the services that you offer. Your client portfolio, again, all of these, you're choosing these files. So this form is assuming that you already have your content prepared. Content for the contact information page. Right here, all of your contact information, your mailing address, your phone number, your email, everything that you want the client to know about you, you would put right here in this space. So you can put your complete address, your phone number, your mobile number, your fax number, your email, everything will go right here in this space. So if you don't want it to be public, you can just write private next to it. If you only want us to have this information, for us to be able to contact you, then just put private next to it and we won't publish it. Okay? Alrighty, so you want to put as much information. There is no limit to this space. Even though the box is small, you can just scroll down, 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 and you'll have more room. All of these other pages right here is the same format. You just choose the file. Any additional page that we didn't mention, we just ask that you type the title of the page on your Word document so we'll know what to call it in the menu item. So everywhere that it says choose file, we give you 3 additional pages in case there's some additional pages you want in your website. Any promotional flyers that you have, whether it's a PowerPoint, that's what this PPT is, or a PDF file, any of these formats, and you're not limited to this, any format that you have, just click choose file and we would like publisher. There's a few that aren't listed here. So you, whatever you have, if you have a promotional flyer, you can upload that for us. If you have an audio file, we accept WAV or MP3. We prefer MP3 because it's much smaller and it won't create buffering on the user end. So we create an MP3, even though if all you have is a WAV format or another audio format, we will take it. Just hit choose file and pull it from your hard drive. We give you about 7 spaces for images that you can upload, so just hit choose file for images. If you're having, for example, a photo gallery, let us know where it says additional comments down here, and when we get to that, I'll let you know how to do that, and we'll give you a special FTP site where you can upload all your images in case you have more than 7. Going back up here, enter the embed code for your YouTube video. Let me pause this here so I can show you an example. Okay, here's an example of a YouTube video that I created on my Tech Queen site. If I were to click share and then click on the button that says embed, I would scroll down, and you want to make sure you have the long format, and the way you know that, it will start with object. Okay, and see how it's called use old embed code. You want to make sure that this is checked, and that's your verification process. Alrighty, and depending on the size you want and how big you want it, you can choose that right here. If you want a large video, you would choose the largest one, and this kind of gives you a picture image of the size, although this isn't an accurate size. 960, that's a huge, that takes up the full page. So just imagine 480 would be like a half a page. So you want to choose your size here because that's what the code is going to be based on here. Then you're going to right click after the code is highlighted, click on copy. Then you're going to go back to where it says enter the embed code, right click, and then paste the code right here. Hit enter a few times if you have more than one video, and put video 2 colon, and then just go back and grab your next code. I'm just going to copy this, assuming this is another video, and then right click, hit paste again, and then now you have 2 videos that you have embedded. If I were to scroll up, there's video 2 right here, and there's the code for it, and so on and so forth, depending on how many arranged videos you arrange to have in your website. Where it says include a guest book form so you can collect contact, just let us know yes or no. We encourage you to include a guest book form. That's where you collect information from your visitors. And you can let us know down here in this section any special information you want to collect from your visitors. If you're selling items, include a list of each product. We encourage you to type a list along with the product names and item number and their prices, and click choose file. This is where you will, no different than the other files, select the file from your hard drive. We suggest you do this in Word as well, or Excel. An Excel spreadsheet would be great for this as well. Major background color and your button color. Let me switch to that section. Okay, if you were to go back to our website, getyouawebsite.com, and scroll up and click on the button that says Get Started. Scroll down to item number 5 on your checklist down here and click on the color chart. This is where you will select the background color that you want for your website. So let's say, for example, I want a burgundy background. I'm going to highlight this, copy it, and put it in right here for my background color. And let's say I want gold button. I'm going to go up here and just select one of these numbers. Let's do a lighter one. And this will be the color of my button that I want in my custom design. So I'm going to paste, right click and hit paste there. To give you an example, see this little beige color on here? This is the background color in this example, and then the button colors would be these orangish, reddish looking buttons. These are the colors. So the background would be like this dark beige, and then the button color would be here. This is an example of what it is that you're selecting for this site. Then any additional comments, such as we'll include a photo gallery with more than 7 images that we talked about earlier. Images, I need a different format to upload mass photos. And then the programmers will get this. We'll get this and we'll email you what's called an FTP and tell you how to upload them to your site. and then you would click on Send. And this will conclude your content upload for your business website. Congratulations, and thank you for choosing Smart Multimedia Services.